up, y'all? It's JadaB and I'm back with another video. I've been recording for so long, but I realized I never did my intro, so this vlog is about me taking a trip, like a weekend trip to Gatlinburg, Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. I'm here for the weekend, me and my classmates / friends. And make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. This is the first mini, I guess you could say mini, but this is the first travel vlog of 2024. I hope you enjoy. We're here, y'all. One bed, two bed. This cabin is huge. It's like a huge school trip. Like, it's so big. So I'm gonna be showing y'all the cabin, the tour of it throughout the trip. It's just huge. Like, it's really big. It's 3 levels.
You hear me?
We have a king size bed, and well, we thought we had a layout bed.
Sleep in the middle. Really?
We thought we had a layout bed, but it appears to be a futon, and I'm just really not feeling it.
Me neither. Somebody can sleep in the middle.
But it's okay,
I ain't gonna lie, to 2 hours we sleeping in the middle.
we taking turns, cause they got that bed tonight. Best believe JadaB gonna be in that bed tomorrow. Like, ain't no way they finna get that bed all weekend and I sleep on this couch with where dirty booty's been.
Not my dirty booty,
No, that's your dirty booty, but people before had dirty booty. And then we put a little shit over it, so hopefully put a little shit over, spread a little Lysol. So
yeah.
but I'm not looking forward to this. And that girl asked us,
get some more Lysol tomorrow.
that girl downstairs said, how y'all live in situations? Oh, we said we got a king size bed and a layout bed. She said, oh, it's 5 of us. We got a king size bed and a futon. Oh, we got a futon too, boo. We lied. We lied to you. We lied to you. No.
Walker, thank you for wanting a verse from me. Apologies for the wait, sometimes it's hard to get the distractions up off you for enough time to jot.
This kitchen is humongous. Of course, we're the only ones up eating.
Look around.
Of course, they over there breaking something. So it's like I'm trying to give y'all a tour, but every time I turn the camera, it's like another new face. But I'm about to show y'all the other side of the kitchen real quick, so pay attention. It's coffee pots. Can y'all see? It's a little dark. Last night we was down there playing games, but yeah, so last night I didn't show y'all the chitters. It's microwaves down here too. Y'all knew this?
Yeah.
This kitchen is humongous. This kitchen is big. The camera doesn't no justice. It's Saturday, and I can't remember if I told y'all this, but we did not plan out no itinerary. We didn't. And okay, let me just tell y'all stuff. Let me just make sure it's current, just in case y'all not current. This is like, it's not a school affiliated trip, but it is. It's basically a bunch of different people that goes to different pharmacy schools across the globe, and they have an annual ski trip. We didn't go on it last year, so we came on it this year, and then we're here. But you literally just pay your money to the people that's over at your school, and they literally sent us the address out like 3 days before, and then we drove up here. Like, so then you get up here and you tell them like who you want to be in the room with, but it's like different people from different clubs, so we all in one big old house. And yeah, so basically when they did the room situation, they did like not one person for bed, they did 2 people per bed basically. So I honestly feel like if 2 of us wasn't coming out here, it probably would have been 2 random people in the room with us. So thank God we was like 4 and we know each other, so we was able to sleep. So that's why the living conditions low-key look ghetto. But we was still cool, we was comfortable. Like everybody had their own space in the bed. And like I said, we know each other, so we were comfortable. Yeah, this is a low maintenance trip. I'm just here to woosah, I guess. But yeah, I'm about to get dressed because somebody is probably waiting in the bathroom.
Pretty hurts, pretty hurts. This light ain't
Pretty hurts, shine a light on whatever's worth. Say hey to my vlog. How dare you walk in and not speak to them?
Well, you told me it was recorded after you got smart with me, so I don't know. Hey, vlog.
Cherie just texted me, but when I try to call her back, she's not answering.
Oh, she must be. Is she working? What's today? Oh, she not. Maybe.
Pretty don't hurt though. That's why I don't really get this song.
She's talking about like dressing up, being pretty, keeping yourself together.
Why does it hurt?
Going to the nail salon, getting your hair done hurt sometimes.
That's not what. That's not what. I don't think that's what B was meaning.
That is what.
I think she means something deeper than that.
Okay, I thought that's what I said.
Maybe she's saying it hurts to have to feel obligated to always
Be pretty.
like get your stuff done. Like you can never be natural, you know.
Yeah.
That would hurt, you know.
And just to keep doing that and not being satisfied with yourself. Yeah, true.
I mean, your way.
Yeah.
This is where we staying. This is the neighborhood. Finally can show y'all because when we got here last night, it was dark, so I can show y'all. This is side, y'all. It's so big. The girlies be ready. I should have bought my Crocs to drive in because I don't know about these big old boots. Got on these and they be hard to drive.
Thoughts, but fuck it, this morning I got to. I'm thinking about you. I heard you just had you another little baby. Congratulations. I hope you got through it with no complications. I find it amazing the way that you juggle your kids, the biz, the fame, the bitches that's hating. They sit around waiting for you to fall off like the album I'm making. But I hope that you taking a little time for yourself. Still in a moment or two to unwind between the hectic sounds of your precious baby crying. Do you clear your mind? Must be a lot going on. I hear it in all of your songs. Niggas been doing you wrong. Barely been doing you wrong. On days you feeling like you on your own. I wrote this for you to put on.
I feel like it's this angle. Thank you.
You're welcome. Y'all enjoy.
Thank you. God is grace and God is good. Let us look for our food. By our heads we are beg. Give us our daily bread. Amen. Thank you, Jesus. Bless the food.
Well, we came here.
Okay. Wasn't nothing much.
The person who don't want to eat home stuff should pick for me.
We're here to go moonshine tasting, and I thought it was like a tour, but it looks like you get in where you fit in. Like a tour, like this group, then this group. This is cool. Just feel like you waiting on shots at the bar. Like you go and that group goes to go taste the drinks, then the next group go to go taste the drinks. But I mean, this still cool. It's like waiting at the bar.
Tori don't like it. See the napkins. That was good. Yeah, that was just a chase. It's not bad, but it's not all that.
We're leaving moonshine tasting.
Where we going now?
The girls are sideways. Y'all look at my coat. I look so country.
I told you put it on the inside.
The thing is, I bought this black one because I thought I was gonna be cold, but I'm not that cold. But I'm tired of holding it, so I just put it on.
I think it don't matter because everybody kind of bundled up.
Yeah, I don't care about these people, but I just, in my opinion, it's me that feel country. But I was tired of I was tired of holding my coat, so I just put it on so I don't have to hold it. And I can just hold my camera and get the content.
Y'all, we should have photobombed that picture. Yeah. Where they were. I wonder if they saw it. That was good. Hold on. Alright. Sorry, that's fine. Okay, try again. Did they do right?
Oh my god, is this thriller a left-hand handle? Alas! Look at the big. Oh yeah, let's see if they can take it, okay? Can you take it? Is there a problem taking the margarita? What do you guys think?
Okay.
Gosh!
It's good.
You guys can have some frisbees on the house, okay?
Thank you.
I don't like that.
I wanna know who you are.
No, I won't.
Alright. We're out here in Gatlinburg, Tennessee.
Gatlinburg, Tennessee.
It's still Christmas here.
No, I won't. No, we're out.
We going to the car we just came from. Yeah, what was the name of that place? Dick's Last Resort. The name of that place was Dick's Last Resort. I didn't know the theme until we went in there, but apparently it's like a place where the waitresses act like mean, and
This is our turn.
they throw your straws at you, they throw your napkins at you, and all that stuff. So if you're not in the mood, it's not the place for you. We got to cross this walk. Y'all, this man told us. So when we got over here to park, we was the next car, and it told us that it was full. So we was about to turn around, but he said, "No, come on." And then he was like, "It's $20." It's $20, but they don't take cash, right? So we put on, we was like, "Oh dang, we don't got cash." So he was like, "Don't worry about it. When you come back, just knock on the window." And they had the cash.
He told us to walk and knock on.
So he told us to knock on that door when we came back, but we still ain't getting no cash. So
Oh, I got it.
hopefully you'll let us go. What's not it?
Oh, I got that shit. Not it. Not it. No, cause
What's the not it?
why y'all keep doing this? Y'all not came in. That's some haters.
So Tori, when you did it in the restaurant, who won?
She said if I know I won.
I mean, who lost?
Kyra. That's why she laughing so hard. hard. The hardest one. You up there now? Girl, boo. I'm gonna get you this one time. But next time.
I don't know. My twin thinks she's supposed to be excluded from driving.
I don't think I'm supposed to be excluded, but tomorrow was my day.
Why?
Girl, you making shit up.
Every day she said. Last night she said, I'm gonna drive the first thing in the morning.
Yeah, that's why I thought you were driving this morning. I was like, oh.
Sin City wasn't made for you. Ain't just like you. Well, you know it. Well, you know it. Well, you know it.
Oh, how we gonna get out?
Let's see what happens. Go to it. Like, what is it?
It's open.
It's the truck.
Oh. We got free parking! That's how you do it.
I ain't bringing that back.
Y'all, I'm looking for a bag to wear to class for my business casual days. You can't see me. Like when I dress up, I just feel like the book bag just don't give. Tori didn't have none that was in my price range, but this is. We are in Kate Spade.
Thank you for sharing your light, your voice, and writing a beautiful poem. Session 32, bring me the tears. Be getting choked up when I hear it. Seem like I keep crying off so much since a nigga had these kids. And I don't know what it is that made me so sensitive. More than I already was. But never mind that, I'm back. I'm sending you this little audio hug. And hopes that you smile, forgetting the stress that piles from all the above. The more that we hurt, the harder we love. As soon as it's gone, we gotta re-up. It's just like a drug. If people knew half of the pressure, they know that it's hard to be her. I'm sending you SZA and Ari, my love. Y'all holding us down, y'all holding the crowns. You ever need something from me, don't hesitate, please. Just hit me and I'll be around. I'm gone.
Thank you. You're welcome. Have a nice day. You too. Period. I got a sale and a student discount. To become doctors to be grandma. Granny Club.
We've been waiting.
So waiting for people to come get in.
Oh, y'all want somebody to come in?
Yeah, shoot.
Woo, we in a jacuzzi because that pool was, it was cold. Honestly, it felt like someone pulled outside.
So what's your name?
My name is Jada.
Jada? Okay, I'm Josh.
Nice to meet you.
Oh,
You
where are you
tell me your
from?
name, last
Tell
name.
me about you.
Valerie. Valerie.
Tell me about you, Jada.
About me?
Yeah, what you got? Like, where are you from?
Mercer.
Okay.
Yeah, I go to Mercer.
Okay.
I'm from Atlanta. Well,
Okay.
outside of Atlanta, but Atlanta.
Yeah, basically you'd say you're from Atlanta.
Yeah.
Okay.
I went to Georgia Southern for my undergrad. And yeah, I'm here.
How was Georgia Southern?
It was fun.
Yeah. I've heard mixed reviews. Only talked to like one or two people from it, and they're like, "Man, I really didn't like my time there."
Why didn't they like it?
I don't know. They didn't give me specific reasons. They were just like, "Don't go. I didn't like it." All right.
Well, before I went there, they did keep saying like, "Oh my gosh, it's a party school, it's a party school." But the longer I stayed there, the bars were getting shut down. So I don't think it's as fun as it used to be.
Okay. Well, then maybe that's it, because it was getting rough. I heard as well. I don't know.
Yeah.
But so yeah, we go to Sanford and Birmingham. And so Birmingham's getting rough too.
What do you mean when you say getting rough?
I don't know, like
there's a lot of crime rate going on.
I'm from an hour away from here.
Yeah, I got back to the pool with my friends.
No, I'll be afraid.
So basically, yeah, today is Sunday. I'm trying to find the lighting because y'all can't even see the girl. We're about to go get food. The plan today was to go ride roller coasters, the mountain coasters, and tube And that's all we really had planned for today. But we still not out the house. Had a pretty long night last night. It's 11:50 a.m. So now we're gonna go get breakfast and then we're gonna go back to the house. That is our food. Here are our drinks. It's finally daytime and I'm able to show you guys basically the roads leading up to our cabin. So just gonna hope that I can try to drive decent. Just looking to me. That's what I'm looking at. I'm looking at me.
Hey, Miss Walker, thank you for wanting the verse.
I think that's how the thing right here.
For the wait, sometimes it's hard to get the distractions off you. For enough time to jot your thoughts, but fuck it, this morning I got to. I'm thinking about you. I heard you just had you another little baby. Congratulations. I hope you got through it with no complication. I find it amazing the way that you juggle your kids, the biz, the fame, the bitches that's hating. They sit around waiting for you to fall off like the album I'm making. But I hope that you taking a little time for yourself. Still in a moment or two to unwind between the hectic sounds of your precious baby crying. Do you get in your mind? Must be a lot going on. I hear it in all of your songs. Niggas been doing you wrong. Barely been doing you wrong. On days you feeling like you on your own. I wrote this for you to put on.
Yeah. So we're back at the house. Got chicken and waffles. And I got chicken, biscuits, scrambled cheese with eggs, something like that. Hash brown casserole and grits. This is so good. You said one piece of bacon, right?
I didn't know they was gonna lay it on there like that, but it look good.
And when I looked at it, I said, hey y'all, it's 10 o'clock and we're finally out the bed to go snoozing. Snow tubing. Y'all, I usually don't do this, but I'm sitting down here editing and I realize I don't even have no footage from this place for real. Don't go here. Customer service, terrible. And I'm just gonna leave it right there. Terrible customer service.
I was sitting there like,
So she said, what just happened?
what just happened to me?
And me and Tori, it's like,
And then everybody like, we still ain't know. Looking at each other like, what the fuck? We was just saying, we didn't know what to say.
That was so bad.
We didn't even know what was happening, and he wasn't saying that. We made it worse.
he didn't even say, let me help you up. Like, he was definitely being rude. That's why I was like,
Nothing, mama. He's just looking at him.
y'all look, make some noise. What the? Y'all, this is so freaking pretty, but this is our day to leave. We're supposed to go home today and we are still gonna go home. Hopefully the roads are dry. Y'all, it's coming down so hard. We rushing, we about to go. I was coming to show y'all that this is amazing. It's really beautiful. It's cute.
Thank you for sharing your light, your voice, and writing a beautiful poem. Session 32, bring me the tears. Be getting choked up when I hear it. Seem like I keep crying off so much since a nigga had these kids. And I don't know what it is that made me so sensitive. More than I already was. But never mind that, I'm back. I'm sending you this little audio hug. And hopes that you smile, forgetting the stress that piles from all the above. The more that we hurt, the harder we love. As soon as it's gone, we gotta re-up. It's just like a drug. If people knew half of the pressure, they know that it's hard to be her. I'm sending you SZA and Ari, my love. Y'all holding us down, y'all holding the crowns. You ever need something from me, don't hesitate, please. Just hit me and I'll be around. I'm gone.